Hello, my friends. How are you? I hope you are all doing good. Okay, today I teach you how to use tradingview.com for chart analysis. Okay, I will type here trading.com. There's no space. Okay, I just type you to read you properly. There's no space. Tradingview.com. If you go to the tradingview.com, you can see this site like this. Okay, this is my chart for XAU USD, means gold versus USD. So this is little bit difficult, so I will explain you by using another currency pair. I will duplicate this site. Okay, I will show you. I would like to show you GBP USD, my favorite. Right. So this is currency pair. So first of all, I will tell you what is currency pair mean. It means 1 GBP equal how much USD. Right. There is a price line previously I gave for notification. I will delete it. Okay, now I will mark the price here. Right. So now the price is 1.28. So I will again type here USD 1.28. That means 1 GBP equal 1.28. So I will go to here, mark here, it is 1.209, right? It is, see, previously 1.28, now 1.20, let's say to 1. So what happened to GBP? Now from here to here, there is a hike in GBP. In price, this is price. Okay, this price is determined by demand versus supply. Okay, this price was determined by demand versus supply. See, which demand? GBP USD demand, GBP USD supply, right? So this is price line. So there are so many reasons to even a single movement of this price line, even single movement, totally depends on demand and supply. If somebody, you or another one, knows about economic news, example, gross domestic product of USA forecast is lesser than the actual, then USD become appreciated. Why? Because the economy is strong, then there's a demand for USD. So if the demand is high, then 1 GBP buying rate going down. So this, like this, the price going down. Now what happened? Because of economic crisis in USA, 1 USD can buy more USDs. 1 GBP can buy more USDs. That's why this is going up. Right? First of all, you must know what is that. So in your broker, maybe give two prices. I will delete this price. Okay. Two prices. Maybe here line, only one line. Maybe you might have like this, two lines. Okay, this one I will make blue. This red color is selling price. This one is buying price. If you go to the exchange company, they are selling price of USD maybe 1.29. They are buying price. They buy from USD from you or 1.28. So this margin is for them maybe 1.27. So this margin they are keeping as their profit, right? But there are some companies giving without margins. That's depend on the one broker to another broker. It's depend on, right? So that is basic thing I shared with you. So now I will come to the chart. So I will just show you some basic events in the charts, so that you can get to know about what I am going to teaching you in next videos and these videos also. In chart we can see, I will show you, this is called order block. Okay, these are the entry points, order block, right? And we need to know whether this order block is valid order block or not valid, right? And if you go to here, you can see a gap, right? This is called fair value gap, FVG. This is fair value gap, right? And also you can see so many entry levels. We can get entries from valid FVG, valid order block, valid breaker block, valid mitigation block. Actually there are more in the market, but I am not going to show you everything because it's very difficult. You need to better understand either two or one. That is enough. It is highly recommended fair value gap and order block for entry levels. Okay, and now I will move the time scales. In Forex we are called HTF, high time frame, and also we are telling LTF, low time frames. What are those? These high time frames are daily candle D1 or VW1, right? Low time frames 1 hour, 4 hour, like that. How it's done? For day, if you analyze the chart day, you need to get the entry from 1 hour. Okay, same like that. If you analyze the chart from week, your entry from 4 hour. That is high time frame to low time frame. Again we can get high time frame and low time frame like this way. If you analyze the chart 4 hour and 1 hour, so you can come 4 hour from 15 minutes, from 15 minute chart, and for 1 hour you can use 5 minute charts, right? 5 minutes. This is your high time frame, this is your low time frame, right? So I am highly recommended this one. Analyze the chart D1 and W daily or weekly and go for a trading 1 hour 4. But most of the people cannot do like that. Why? Because of stop loss. If you analyze it, just a moment, I deleted this. It's not deleting. Anyway, I will delete this all. Then I will show you some movements. Okay, I will show some movement. Here I will start GBP here 1.34, but see it's come down. Sorry, here, and it's going like this way. Going like this way, 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 and it's go here to the down, right? So you can see here, this is called higher high. This is called higher high, HH. This is the biggest high. So here we call lower low. This is sorry, lower high, because there are more lowers here, right? So this is called lower low. This is the lowest. This is called lower low. This is the lowest, right? This is the lowest. This is the highest. Okay. So that you can see in between here, see, from 10,000 pips, more than 14,000, 12,000 pips were moving, right? So after there's a break here. So how do we verify a trade? How do we verify the trade? You can see here, see, in here to here, you can see, I will take you here, see, here another lower high, right? This is lower high, because there is a higher high here, higher high. So from lower high it's going down and it's go to higher high, right? So from here to here, okay, from here to here, there's a technical word called BOS, break of structure, but it's go to the same side. See, it's go to the same side. So if it is going to the same side, we are called it break of structure. But see what happening? There's a lower low, higher low. So there's a higher low here, higher low, right? From this higher low, it goes higher high. After that, what happened? This higher low was broken. See, this was broken. So this is broken from this point. This is broken. So that means this pattern breakdown and shifted. That is called market structure shift or coach, change of character, right? So we can get a nice trade from here, like this candle. Okay, how do we get? Because see, there's a very nice break order block. Right? From that order block, see, I mark the price here, this order block here, so we can get a short its order block touch here, and we need to keep our stop loss for 50% of this one. Why 50%? Because this is displacement candle or imbalance candle. So I will tell you in the next videos. This breaker block is valid because these candles are displacement candles or imbalance candles. There are gaps in between these candles, right? See, there's a huge hike here, huge hike in between. But I must say, you can see there is no any gaps in between. See, in between there are no gaps. Here there are big gaps. See, it's not covered by a wick. Here it's covered everything by a wick. So how do I take this is valid order block without any gap of this? That is because of this hike. That means institutional central banks or institutional fund companies bought. There is a high demand for GBP because they think this will go more. When GBP too much appreciated. This point, what happened? All GBP purchase people they sold out. That's why it's going down. So if they sold out, there's a big supply in GBP in the market. So if the supply is more, then price going down. That is the economic principle of here. I am a graduated in accountancy and I am a CCA student. So I am working as a head of finance. So I know very well the economic principles behind this price lines, right? In economics, we learn this is demand and supply curve. If anybody knows economics, then they will know. So this is the demand and supply line. It is same like Forex. This is price, this is quantity. If the price going high, then the purchase quantity is more. If the price is high, see the quantity is less. If the price, I will explain you. This I will type here. This is price. Okay. So this is price and this is quantity. QTY. Right. If the price is going high, what happens? Quantity is less. See, less quantity. If the price going down, see, price going down, what happens? More quantity. Same principle applicable to here also. Right? So how do we get a proper, see in this case I will tell you, we will keep stop loss here. In next videos I am deeply explaining how to give stop loss, which place should we put the take profit, like that. Here we can place the take profit to this candle. See, it's hit, we can come to more, but we do not. See, risk reward ratio 1 to, it's almost 2, 1 to 2. If you are going 10%, as per ICT they are telling 10% risk reward ratio, risk, but I am telling 20%, no problem. You can make 4 times or 5 times wrong to wash out your account, right? I will delete these price lines. Unfortunately, okay, this time it deleted. We'll see this one. Yeah, it is not deleted. I don't know what is the problem behind. Okay, again I will move here. You can see I will again draw. So there is here, there's a nice flow. See, now what happened? Nice flow. Let's break the higher high. See what happened. I will show you. See, the same line chart is going. This is break of structure, BOS, and again here, BOS, and again here, BOS. Why? This lower high, this lower high, this lower high, right? This lower low. So after lower low, what happened? There's a lower high here. It is broken. It is broken by this candle. See, it is broken. So this is called market structure shift. MSS or coach, change of character. So what happened? Price going up. You can see that, right? I think you can understand what is BOS, what is MSS. Okay, but don't forget this is day chart. This is not the entry point. But I will just show you how this is behaving. Right? If I come to this chart, there's a nice order block here. See, there's a displacement, imbalance, candle or gap in between this to this. So because of that, because of this gap, what gap? In between, besides of this candle, so this candle and this candle, see there's a gap. I will show you clearly. See, there's a gap here. Okay, this is the gap. So in between, this is the gap. So this is different color one. See, there's a order block. See? Good to market structure, good for the entry. Right, I will change the color. Right, you can see now we have market structure shift, we have order block, right? But you can see this market structure shift goes here. So what do I use to get a entry from this point? See, from this point I need to get an entry. So what should I use? So here there is a break of structure, right? And in that break of structure there is a nice fair value gap, right? I will show you that. There's a nice fair value gap. This fair value gap is called inverse fair value gap, not normal fair value gap. Inverse fair value gap. In inverse fair value gaps, what is the price behavior? Okay, I will tell you. In normal fair value gaps, the price behavior is it's going here, up and down. This is the normal behavior of fair value gap. But this is inverse fair value gap. So price is not going like that. Price go up, price go here, hit, and price will go here. See, that is called inverse fair value gap. Okay, I will mark it red. So you can see. Okay, just a minute, I will delete this price. Okay, you can see that what happened. But some people, they are getting trapped with this fair value gap, or whether this is fair value gap or whether this is inverse fair value gap. But we have turning point here, order block. Because of that order block and the last fair value gap, I decided the price going like. But there are some circumstances. How do we decide it is whether inverse fair value gap or fair value gap? If you get wrong, how much you lost? If you get wrong decision, if you think this is FVG, how much you lost? You have getting big loss. But see, now you can keep here till here. See, 1.1 to 1.8 with a big profit. See the difference. 1.2 to 1.27, 5,000 pips. But we are in the real trading, we are not going to trade in daytime. We need to go lower time frame, 1 hour to the entry level. Right? So there are so many techniques that you need to practice before make entry. So this is just slight touching of I don't know, this is why it's not deleted. Maybe I need to refresh. It's okay, no problem, it will keep. So this is slight touch of all techniques and how this is happening in charts. So in future videos I am going to explain you how to take an entry, how to trade with lower time frame, and how do we use economic news. So which site is good for economic news, and how economic news affect to different currencies and everything. So this is uh, my first lesson in forex trading. So I am coming with next session. Please subscribe me. This is beyond forex channel. So this is your channel, this is your life. Please subscribe. So I need to know how many people use my knowledge. So that will be my biggest motivation to another videos. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, guys.